Hey guys, I'm at the bathroom in the Science Center because it's the only place where there's nobody right now. So I'm going to be filming some things here for you, and yeah, so this is going to be my vlog video thing today. Okay, see ya. Real quick, one thing, I don't know how much I'm going to be talking. I'm just going to be filming things because there's a lot of people and there's an air show going on because it's Labor Day. And I'm going to film some of that and stuff, so yeah. So I'm in the actual stall and this is what I'm doing today, but I got it in for free. Yeah. It is really hot. It's like 93 degrees outside. Ugh. Looking into infinity. I'm gonna go outside and head to the air show, so let's go. Okay, so I made it into a bathroom where it's like one single bathroom. Real quick, if you didn't hear me before, I'm going downstairs and look around stuff down there, and then I'm going outside to watch the air show. It's really hot. It's supposed to start at 4, but it's only 3. My mom said to be out there by 3-ish. I'm gonna go out there soon. I'm sorry if you couldn't see much stuff because there's a lot of people and I don't know how I'm gonna do this in Florida, but I got to. But I'm leaving this in here. I have 3 from yesterday, just in case somebody wants it. Leave it right there. Let's go and venture out into the world. Scariest hall I ever. I changed my mind. I'm staying upstairs. who's really in space. Okay. He touched space. It's so awesome. Can't even believe I was really in space. I touched it. It's so hot.
However, the F-16 is more commonly referred to as the Viper. I want to get film. F-16 Viper fighting Falcon. It's a Falcon that eats Viper. I don't know. It's very confusing. Try and get a picture of it. Airshow sponsor in 1956. Eventually, the Federal Aviation Administration banned supersonic flight in and consequently, today's sequence is entirely supersonic. I like the uniform.